In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use OneDrive on Windows 11 step by step. By the end, you'll have your files syncing safely between your PC and the cloud, and you'll know exactly where to find and manage them. Let's start by getting the installer. Open your preferred web browser and head to the official OneDrive download page on Microsoft's website. Using the official page ensures you're getting the most up-to-date and secure version. On that page, click the Download button to grab the OneDrive installer. Your browser will save a small setup file, usually to your Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, double-click the installer to start the setup. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, choose Yes. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. The installer is straightforward and typically completes in a minute or two. There's nothing complicated to configure at this stage. Just let it finish. After installation, open the OneDrive app from the Start menu. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type OneDrive. When the app launches, sign in with your Microsoft account. This is the account that will securely connect your computer to your cloud storage. If you already use Microsoft services on this PC, you can sign in with the same account to keep everything in sync. Next, you'll be asked to choose the folders you want to sync to your computer. This is called Selective Sync. It's helpful if you want to save space on your device by only downloading the folders you use most. You can change these choices later, so don't worry if you're unsure. Pick the essentials for now. Click Start Sync to begin syncing your OneDrive files locally. You'll see a OneDrive cloud icon appear in your taskbar area. As files sync, you may notice status icons next to your files indicating whether they're available offline or still downloading. Now, open File Explorer to access your synced files. In the left-hand panel, you'll see a OneDrive entry. Click it to view your folders and documents. From here, managing files is easy. To upload something to OneDrive, just drag and drop it into the OneDrive folder in File Explorer. To open or work on a file, double-click it as you normally would. Any changes you make are saved and synced automatically, so your files stay updated across your devices. That's it. You've installed OneDrive, signed in, selected what to sync, and learned how to access and manage your files in File Explorer. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.